Hello guys, you know this update that I dropped about using your WhatsApp to make money, and the good part of it is that you can get a new SIM. You understand? Just spend and buy SIM, or you can use any SIM you're not using to create WhatsApp. Checking my previous video, which I showed you how you can connect it with your clone app, where you can clone WhatsApp to log it in, and the best thing is having multiple accounts. So today I'm going to be cashing out my earnings in this app to prove to you guys that it is legit. What I'm sharing is legit updates, and stay tuned because I'm going to be dropping another update that will be paying you $20 every 20 days. So guys, if this is the first time you're coming across my YouTube channel, do it to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, comment, and also share. Let's get started. Alright, I'm going to click cash out. So as you can see, my network is not actually that strong. In this update, you can be withdrawing the way you like, but you have to withdraw like the maximum you can withdraw in a day is 3 times. Understand? So this is it. I will click 4,000 naira. They will collect 400 naira charge from me. If I click 3,000, 6,000, they collect 300 charge from me. If I click 10,000, but let me tell you one thing in this online space: any money you see that is not in your bank is an audio money. So before it becomes your money, it has to enter your bank, and I can't wait till it comes. So I have to firstly link my bank. All right. So here they asked for my bank code. I'm going to be put in OPay with my bank code and confirm my bank card number. That's my account number. Holder's name. I have to write my name here, and I'll confirm the information. I have to wait successful, and then I click withdraw, confirm. Voila, my withdrawal is successful. I'll wait for it to reflect in my bank. I'll pause this video, I'll wait for it to reflect, and then I'll end the video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. So guys, it didn't even take much time. See the notification. I need to show you guys the notification. Alright, so see it here. Can you see it? My updates no be fake. I just share it update. See it? Go for it with your WhatsApp. Imagine if you have mini WhatsApp, and the good part is that you can create a new SIM and use it. So guys, let's take this update serious. If you want to ask any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you guys.